Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. The trouble is, you think you have time. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. The root of suffering is attachment. Thousands of candles can be lit from a single candle, and the lift of the candle will not be shortened. If you light a lamp for someone else, it will also brighten your path. A disciplined mind brings happiness. Work out your own salvation. Do not depend on others. An idea that is developed and put into action is more important than an idea that exists only as an idea. If you find no one to support you on the spiritual path, walk alone. Just as a candle cannot burn without fire, man cannot live without a spiritual life. Every human being is the author of his own health or disease. Your purpose in life is to find your purpose and give your whole heart and soul to it. To understand everything is to forgive everything. Nothing can harm you as much as your own thoughts. Rule your mind, or it will rule you. Drop by drop, the water pot is filled. One moment can change a day. One day can change a life. One life can change the world. The past is already gone. The future is not yet here. There's only one moment for you to live. He who envies others does not obtain peace of mind. Set your heart on doing good. Do it over and over again, and you will be filled with joy. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. Nothing is forever except change. Even death is not to be feared by one who has lived wisely. True love is born from understanding. To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clean. Every experience, no matter how bad it seems, hold a blessing of some kind. Be where you are, otherwise you will miss your life. Live every act fully, as if it were your last. Purity or impurity depends on oneself. No one can purify another. True peace is found within, not in the world around you. A quiet mind brings inner strength and self-confidence. Attachment leads to suffering. Freedom leads to joy. Your actions define you, not your words. Self-control is the path to true freedom. The path is not in the sky. The path is in the heart. No one can walk your path for you. Be patient. Everything comes to you in time. Speak with honesty. Act with compassion. The greatest battle is the one within yourself. Walk gently, speak softly, and love deeply. Let go of what was, accept what is. Nothing remains without change. A peaceful mind sees the world clearly. When you let go, you grow. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Be aware of your thoughts. They shape your destiny. When you stop chasing, peace finds you. A pure mind sees beauty in everything. The most valuable treasure is inner calm. Learn to sit with silence. The truth is simple but hard to accept. Peace is the result of training your mind. The mind is a garden. What you plant will grow. Presence is the most precious gift. A free mind is a fearless mind. Let silence be your teacher.